What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shaquille Barnu here with another reaction video. Today I will be reacting to a video from The Voice. It's titled Shawn Sounds and Matthew Johnson's Never Too Much. The Voice Battles 2019. And before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I make a new upload. Leave a nice comment, positive comment. Like the video, and just stay tuned for more of my videos, alright? But here we go. We'll get into the video. And for some reason, my laptop, my sound isn't really working too well. So y'all gotta bear with me, alright? It ain't really coming out loud enough, but we're gonna try to make this work, alright? Okay. Now y'all know, well y'all don't know, but I love Luther, so let's see. Day and night that I don't love you, 'cause I know. Okay. Pretty good so far. They blend together really well, so that's a good thing. Real smooth, like, you know, they don't have to try to outdo each other, you know. Never too much, never too much. I like that they're having fun with it, so that's a big plus to me. Like, you gotta have fun. You can't be, you know, stiff. So they're having fun with it. So that's dope. Okay. It's pretty good so far. I was kind of nervous about that transition, but he handled it real well, so that's a plus. That was nice. That was real nice. It was real nice and smooth. They both of their voices complement each other well, so that's a plus. As far as range, which I have seen other videos with these guys in it, and they are phenomenal. You know, and they're phenomenal in this video also. But I think that they didn't really, how you say it, they didn't want to outdo each other. You know, they didn't want to, like, kind of push it. They want to kind of stay mellow and stay, you know, the same. So they can complement each other, So they can complement each other. So that was real dope. Everybody in the crowd was moving around and enjoying themselves, including the judges. So get this video a 10. You know? And also, it's not easy. I'm a singer myself, and it's not easy singing in front of huge crowds. So that I most definitely identify with. And not only that is you have to make sure that you keep the crowd entertained, and that's exactly what they did. They moved around, they danced, and they made sure that everybody was clapping and on their feet. So that was real dope. Well, that's the end of my reaction video. Hope you all liked it. Like I said, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all again for the next video. Peace.